Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the fresh new Friday here in the US. Friday है तो I have a lecture. So recently I started waking up early, right? मैं gym जाने के लिए उठता था like 6-7 बजे, but gym तो बंद हो गया because of swimming. But like I have been waking up, got shaved and like I was like let's go for shower, but भूख लगा था. So coffee is almost ready, and let's start the day with the coffee. And our coffee is ready. Okay, got freshened up. Breakfast हो ही गया था, right? And then सुबह उठते ही started with the applications because you have to apply daily. So I'll do that. I have lecture in 1 hour, calling parents and everything, and then आज lecture में क्या होगा? Because every Friday we do recorrections of our assignments, right? But last Wednesday मेरा assignment was 100%. So I don't know. Again, professor shows this as a case study to the class. So let's see how that goes. And I have ordered some things from Costco as well. So वो दोपहर को आने वाली है. Vlog चलते रहेगा आगे. चलो, let's go. Chalo, it's time to go for the lecture. Alright, going for the lecture. 11 to 1. 2 घंटे का है. Let's see how it goes. Chalo, finally going for the lecture. 11 to 1. Crazy. पीछे building, सामने lecture hall. That's crazy. Crazy. I like this walk. Chalo, done with the lecture. It was good. Again, Professor used my assignment as a case study. अरे यार यहाँ से lift बन गया है. पीछे से जाना पड़ेगा. चलो, that's the food. Chalo, had food, did dishes. Now let's continue with the course, lifeguard course applications. कितना कुछ है करने को यार. Today नहीं, I was like कितना busy है तो भाई आता भी नहीं है. I was like बहुत कुछ चल रहा है लाइफ में. Have to practice for swim. So अभी तो मेरे shifts नहीं लगे हैं भाई. अगले हफ्ते से shifts and it's gonna be more hectic, but it's good, right? Because I chose this life. I love my life. So let's get working. खाली बैठ के कुछ नहीं होता है. खाली दिमाग शैतान का. So keep yourself busy, upskill, do what you want to do in life. चलो, continuing with the lifeguard course. हाँ, Costco order is here. चलो भाई, कार्ट इसके लिए अच्छा बना. उठा के कौन लेके जाएगा? And that's the pleasant weather. So it's 5. I am going for swim session 5 to 6:30 I guess, and then 6:30 नहीं 6 नहीं 7 to 8 I have Friday night hangout, like business meet, where everybody from our team comes together. They tell how was their sales, how was their promotions going on. I still have to give samples to my friends. I have not been able to do it, and now I feel why am I delaying it? But like I am busy with my own things, right? I guess I have to work on some things on myself as well, cause I feel from the last semester I have been staying locked in my place. Today, like other friends of mine were also like, you yesterday there was some event, bingo college ka. Everybody was there. He was like, you were not there. You were the first person who used to come for such events. You are not vlogging. What's happening? Vlogging, I was like, vlogging is going on, but like personal vlogging is going on, right? I'm not showing you anything. Let's see, this is just a phase of life, right? You get busy, life gets busy. I have to work on applications and everything. I feel I have to sit somewhere. यहाँ पे कहीं पे बैठूँ, थोड़ा enjoy करूँ moment, right? But I feel I have very less time for my parents as well, like, so I just try to finish up things. I don't know how that sounds, but yeah, this is what it is. Life goes on. You have to focus on what you want to achieve, right? So let's go. First aim is to clear the swim test. Again, it's on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 17, 18, 19. So it's gonna be good. Chalo. While I was coming, I met Professor Lucian Lee, जिसके मैंने फोटो दिया था last time. So it's good every time like I say hi, and he was really excited to talk to me. And he was like, "Are you in touch with students from Mumbai University? Like there are 7 to 8 students coming for this fall." I was like, "Yeah, 2 or 3 of them have reached to me Instagram, and I have been telling them, भाई Instagram पे क्यों आते हैं? भाई LinkedIn पे आओ, right? LinkedIn is a way to talk about all such things." But yeah, it's good. I've been adding them. How is my experience and everything. I was like, आप लोग ने मेरा पॉडकास्ट लिया, ये सब लिया, उसको रिलीज़ करो यार यूट्यूब पे यार. व्हाट इज दिस? मेरे पास तो पड़ा है, मैं खुद ही अपना वर्जन डाल दूँ क्या? They are like, now we are working on some things, yeah, blah 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 blah. Edit आ गया मेरे पास. It's good, but let's see. It's good to meet professor, and then a lot of like I am the first person in this program, so kind of I'm an ambassador, but I expected like they'll treat me well, like proper ambassador like something. Sir was like, they didn't call you in the meeting. I was like, you just tell me. I'll be more than happy to volunteer in the meeting and everything. I'll talk about my experience, right? But it is what it is. Sir is like, okay, I'll talk to senior management and everything. So it's gonna be good. So chalo, let's go for swimming. Chalo, done with the practice. It was good. I was able to do today in 1 hour, 5:30 to 6:30. So it's great. Still, I'm struggling a little bit in water training. Just wanna document this, right? I have 6 days, so कल से I'm gonna practice more on the trading part and then rest of the entire test. बाकी तो ब्रेक डालने वाला हो रहा है मेरे से. And laps are not a big deal now. I've been doing 2 to 3 times, but trading I have to practice more. So from tomorrow I'm gonna do it. I said for yesterday also, but yeah, कल से करना पड़ेगा properly. Damn exhausted, but have to go. I have a meet. Sometimes I sit and feel like why my schedule is so much busy. Right? Don't have any time to rest. I have to work on that, I guess. अभी के लिए चलो भाई. I have signed up for this, so it's good to show up on time, right? मस्त pleasant weather है भाई. Can't wait. रुबा कब खुलेगा भाई? And I'll be back on duty. Where is he?
I'll take that. Let me not throw up gang signs. All right. Oh.
Yep. Can I start?
Yeah.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. My name is Om. So today I want to share a few key takeaways that I learned from the book named The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy. I have almost finished it. So one of the most powerful lessons from the book is that success is built through small and smart choices made consistently over the period of time. It's not about big leaps. It's about how steady you accumulate your effort. Every small action, whether positive or negative, compounds to shape our results months or years later. Another key takeaway is the importance of consistency and discipline. Hardy emphasizes that motivation can get you started, but habits and routines keep you moving even when enthusiasm fades. When we consistently stick to a plan and track our progress, momentum builds naturally. The book also stresses the power of taking responsibility of your outcomes. Instead of blaming circumstances, it's about recognizing that we always have the ability to choose better actions, be it in health wise, business, or relationships. Once we own our choices, we gain control and clarity on how to improve. I'm going to be more intentional with my evenings by focusing on learning, building connections, and taking consistent business related actions. Instead of drifting after the day ends, I want each small step, every call, every follow up, and every learning session to compound towards my business goal. Over the period of time, these small daily actions will multiply, shaping the mindset and the discipline needed for bigger outcomes and help me achieve my business goal. चलो मीट डन ऑफ अपलोडिंग द व्लॉग. चलो कंटिन्यू विद जॉब ट्रेनिंग्स एंड देन टुडे आज सोचा रोटी नहीं बनाना भाई, कंटल गए. आयुष इज लाइक कुछ अलग बनाते हैं, लाइक ठीक है आई विल वर्क ऑन माई थिंग्स. अब आयुष इज लाइक रोटी खाना नहीं, आज लाइक रोटी पड़ा था तो आई लव आचार रोटी को कि आई एम डैम हंग्री. मैं स्विम से आके सीधा मीटिंग में ही बैठ गया था. आई लेट आई डू द एप्लीकेशन कॉल पेरेंट्स सब साइमल्टेनियसली करना पड़ेगा. सो दैट इज इट टुडे गाइस. आप आपको वीडियो पसंद आएगा, पसंद तो लाइक करना है, चैनल पे नहीं तो सब्सक्राइब करना है. एंड विल सी यू गाइस इन द नेक्स्ट वन. एंटिल देन टेक केयर, बाय बाय. आई डोंट हैव द काउंट ऑफ माय व्लॉग. सून इट्स गोना क्रॉस 300. इट्स गोना बी क्रेजी. चलो बाय बाय.